Welcome to eCharged. There is no wonder 3D printing is making a huge buzz in the world of architecture, design, and engineering. But did you know you can drive 3D printed cars? Italian electric car company XEV and 3D printing company Polymaker have launched the first mass producible 3D printed electric car in the world. This new vehicle, named LSEV, is more about how 3D printing technology brings revolutionary changes to the automotive manufacturing industry, how it could be the milestone product in the adoption of 3D printing into mainstream production of vehicles. XEV is the first real mass production project using 3D printing. There are also a lot of other companies who use 3D printing for production, but nothing can really compare with XEV in terms of size, scale, and the intensity. XEV has decreased the plastic parts and number of components in a car from more than 2000 to a mere 57. And the finished LSEV electric car weighs only 450 kilograms, which is much lower than similar sized vehicle usually weighing between 1 to 1.2 tons. Claiming to be the world's first series of sustainable, mass-produced 3D printed cars, LSEV is composed of only 57 parts. It is priced at $7,500 US. The 3D printed car presents an affordable solution for the city drivers. Although you would expect that 3D printed cars could offer a very limited options, LSEV allows drivers to reach a speed of 43 miles per hour, and each charge allows drivers to cover a distance of 93 miles. However, it is still considered as a low-speed vehicle. The two-seater LSEV's chassis, seats, and glass components are the only visible parts which are not produced with 3D printing. XEV states it takes just 3 days to build one car, including printing components, assembly. The 3D printing materials include enhanced nylon, polylactic acid, and rubber-like thermoplastic polyurethane, which is called TPU. This switch of production leads to more than 70% reduction of investment cost in comparison with the traditional production system. Currently, the company plans for the first LSEV deliveries to customers in Europe, Asia, around April this year. XEV reports around 7,000 orders for this tiny electric car, with most helpful customers residing in the countries in Europe. Although its 43 miles per hour top speed won't put the LSEV on the highway, but rather it will most likely to see service in urban or contained community areas. So that's it about the world's first 3D printed car. Let us know your views in the comment section. That's it for today. This is eCharged signing off. Thank you.